Yo, what's going on, man?
Manvir? Not much, man, not much.
How you doing?
Everything's good, man. Everything's good.
Ready to play some Dhol?
Yeah, I've been ready. I got everything set up for you.
Perfect, man. Let's get rolling.
So that's da.
Tere kete gena din. Okay, it's da tere kete gena din, tere kete gena din, tere kete gena din, tere kete gena. But break it up into parts. Just try it. Da tere kete gena din, tere kete gena.
Getting there.
Go faster. Don't focus so much on playing open or close. Just play it. So da nana kena kena din, nana kena kena din, nana kena kena din,
So I still
nana
play the
kena
thing,
kena.
right? I still play.
Yeah, go.
Okay. So. Why am I getting so confused?
Da nana kena kena din, nana kena kena din, nana kena kena din, nana kena kena. Oh, sick, man.
Yeah. I got it there. Almost.
Freaking sick day, alright?
Yeah, it's blessed of you. It's not too chilly.
It's like perfect.
Perfect.
What's going on, guys? We just finished Dhol practice. Got Devin and myself here.
So.
Normally after Dhol practice, we chill, we talk about life. Want to make sure that Devin's on the right path. So Devin's been coming to me for about 2.5 years now, and just more than a student, this guy's become family. And it's honestly very impressive just to see how far he's come in terms of his education, in terms of his business, and his Dhol playing. If you guys want to see the streets of Brampton, that's what it looks like. Okay, so after this, it's already been such a long day. Got real estate training, and then I'm gonna go edit this video. Been working on these Patreon videos as well, so I'm gonna post at least 3 tonight. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check this out. All right, Devin, see you next week, my man.
Alright.
See ya.
Alright, take it.